Hello, good afternoon and welcome back to my channel. I am Okocha Happy Marcel. Yeah, there have been a lot of controversies about this COVID-19 vaccine. A lot of people are saying that this COVID-19 vaccine is the mark of the beast. And in other way around, some people are saying it is not the mark of the beast, but it is not scientifically proven that this vaccine could work in every race, in every color, in every nation, that people's health and body are different.
Therefore, the Lord showed me this vaccine is not the mark of the beast.
ஆகையால் இந்த தடுப்பூசி மருந்து மிருகத்தின் முத்திரை அல்ல என்று கர்த்தர் தெளிவுபடுத்தினார்.
So therefore we can put all our fears to rest.
ஆகவே நம்முடைய எல்லா பயங்களையும் நாம் அப்படியே கிடப்பில் போட்டு விடலாம்.
But of course other people have so many other concerns about from where these vaccines were made.
இந்த தடுப்பூசி
I am marveled that a lot of Christians are still asking whether the COVID-19 vaccine is mark of the beast. Some Christians are still asking the question, should Christians take this COVID-19 vaccine? I really want to use this video to address a psycho condition philosophy that a lot of Christians have believed, that everything that comes from science is not of God. And that is a big lie. It is a total lie from the pit of hell. I want to appreciate the knowledge of science because it comes from God. It's not everything that comes from science is evil. Science is not evil. God is the owner of knowledge. God is the owner of wisdom. So God also wants us to use the knowledge He has given us. Using the power of God alone in prayer is not the only thing God has given a believer. Anyone who believes in God, God has given us power to do exploit beyond what we call spiritual. And we should be able to bring everything we have in the spiritual physical, because we live in a physical world. We live in a world where we manage things and we are physical beings. And we being physical being on earth gives our spirit authority to function on earth. Because spirit doesn't have authority. That is why God needs you to work. And devil cannot even manipulate without a body. That is when we have possessions, where devil comes and possess people. So I want you to disbelieve every fallacy, every evil thought telling you that anything that comes from science is not of God. It's a big lie. Think about it. If not the knowledge that God has given us about science, what are you going to do spiritually without science? If you are naked, can you pray without distraction? Even without this phone you are using, without computer, without medications, without all these things. I appreciate all these things. These are knowledge from God. We should not despise science. I know we are living in the end time, where Bible prophecies are being tracked at its fulfillment. But we know that COVID-19 vaccine is not the mark of the beast, and it can never be. When the time that the mark of the beast will be introduced, you will know. You will know, because it's not going to be as vaccine. It's not going to be liquid. It's not going to be like this. But only thing I have to say about it is that all these things could be, a forerunner to the introduction of the mark of the beast, in the sense that they could use all these things to psycho condition people, believing that when the mark of the beast eventually comes, people will say, we have been taking such a thing like this in the past. But the COVID-19 vaccine is not the mark of the beast. And I don't want you to always accuse what science is doing. It is a great thing to know God and use the knowledge God has given us. And God has not given us the knowledge that we should be useless on earth. Remember, God created us to live on earth. God made us to live on earth. And we are earth here to dominate. And that is the will of God. Thank you for having time to listen to this video. I am Okocha Happy Marcel. Shalom.